Hello friends, welcome back to Brintechno's cooking show. So today we are going to show you the authentic coorgi style coorgi chicken recipe. And now folks, we need to dry roast few of the ingredients. So over here we have taken a medium pan and on low flame let the pan get heated up. And now to this we are going to add 3 bay leaves. And here goes 3 Kashmiri red chilies, 5 teaspoons of coriander seeds, and here goes quarter teaspoon of methi seeds. And now folks, on low flame saute for a minute. And now once it turns slight brown, here goes 8 cloves, and here goes 2 sticks of cinnamon which are 1 inch each, and here goes 1 teaspoon of fennel or what we call somp. And now folks, here goes 1 teaspoon of jeera. And now folks, here goes 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And now folks, here goes 2 teaspoons of peppercorns. And now folks, we need to saute for a minute or so till it turns light brown and till it releases the aroma from the ingredients. And now folks, once you are done dry roasting all of the ingredients, transfer it to the plate. And now folks, let it cool down for a minute or so, and then we'll transfer into the mixer jar, and then we need to make a fine powder of all the ingredients. And now folks, as you can see over here we are done grinding all of the ingredients into the fine powder. And now this fine powder goes into the same pan in which we had dry roasted the ingredients. Yes mama, transfer all of the powder. Wow, check it out folks. And now let's keep the pan on low flame, and now we need to fry it till it changes its color into black. As you can see here folks, it's been around 2 minutes, and now the brown powder has turned into black, and also it has started releasing the fumes from it. Just make sure that your powder doesn't get burnt in the process of dry roasting it to black. And now almost 100% of the frying process is done, and now let's switch off the flame. Yes, and check it out folks, the color. So just fry it for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, or else you might end up you're burning the powder. And now folks, the second process is to marinate the chicken. So here we have 1 kg of chicken, and to this we are going to add a handful of finely chopped garlic, handful of finely chopped ginger, and here goes 2 finely chopped onion, and folks, here goes finely chopped 6 green chili, and here goes handful of curry leaves. The curry leaves are finely chopped, and here goes handful of coriander leaves. And now here goes salt as per your requirement. And now folks, here goes 6 teaspoons of magic powder or dry roasted fine powder. And now folks, mix all the ingredients and the powder what we have added nice and thoroughly, so that the masala should properly bind to the chicken. And now folks, once you are done marinating nice and thoroughly, here goes 1 tablespoon of oil. And now folks, let the chicken sit in the refrigerator or in the room temperature for about an hour. Let the chicken absorb all the juices from the masala, and then we'll continue the final process. And now folks, it's been an hour, and now let's prep for the final process. So here we have placed the saucer pan and let it heat up, and to this let's add little bit of oil. And now here goes handful of curry leaves. And now to this let's add handful of finely chopped garlic. And now to this let's add handful of finely chopped ginger. And now here goes one finely chopped onion. And now here goes quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. And now let's saute. And now let's transfer the marinated chicken into the saucer pan. And now folks, the chicken has come to a boil on low flame, and now let's put on the lid and let it cook for another 20 minutes on low flame. And now folks, it's been around 20 minutes. Now let's open the lid and check it out. Oh ho ho ho, check it out folks. Wow. And now folks, keep on sauteing for a while till all the moisture evaporates from the chicken and it gets dried out. At this stage, check the salt and the spiciness of the chicken. If the spiciness is less for you, then you can add couple of spoons of dry roasted powder. While marinating the chicken, we have added around 6 spoons of dry roasted powder, which is quite sufficient for us. If you want more spicy, then you can add more dry roasted powder, or else you can prepare the powder and keep it in the refrigerator, and you can prepare this coorgi chicken whenever you require. And now finally the yummy and delicious coorgi chicken is ready to serve hot folks. Check it out folks, it looks absolutely delicious. And now let's switch off the flame and let's transfer it to the plate.